Looking for the best gifts for gamers in 2025 asterisk? You've landed on the ultimate guide to surprise the gamer in your life with something truly epic. We've scoured the market, testing countless games, consoles, and accessories to bring you a hand-picked selection guaranteed to level up any gaming setup. From next-gen powerhouses to essential peripherals and must-have subscriptions, this year's top gifts are more thrilling than ever before. Make sure to check the description for direct links to grab these incredible deals before they're gone. Number 1. PlayStation 5 Pro. This beast of a console, likely arriving with upgraded specs for 2025, promises unparalleled graphical fidelity and lightning-fast loading, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in gaming. Number 2. The Xbox Series 10 Elite Controller 2025 Edition stands out with its refined haptics, customizable paddles, and pro-level precision, a truly dramatic upgrade for competitive players. Number 3. Get ready for the much-anticipated Nintendo Switch 2 rumored to bring stunning new visuals and innovative play experiences that will captivate both casual and hardcore fans alike. Number 4. The Razer BlackShark V2 Pro Wireless Headset, 2025 model, offers an unfair advantage with its crystal-clear audio, supreme comfort, and lag-free wireless performance, making every in-game sound critical. Finally, number 5. A Game Pass Ultimate, 12-month subscription, remains an unbeatable gift, unlocking hundreds of titles instantly and proving to be the most dramatic value in gaming subscriptions today. Don't miss out on these incredible gamer gift ideas for 2025, your loved one will thank you.